Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of data handling. This is fourth question of its exercise 3.2. So the question says that find the mode and median of data 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13 and 14. So firstly हम इसे ascending order में rearrange कर लेंगे. So 12, 12 2 टाइम है, 13, 13, then 14, 14, 14 3 टाइम है, then 16, then 19. So mode is the variable which occurs most frequently. So यहाँ 12 2 टाइम है, 13 2 टाइम है, 14 3 टाइम है. So 14 की फ्रीक्वेंसी सबसे ज़्यादा है, so mode हो जाएगा हमारे पास 14. And median is the middlemost term. So यहाँ पर हमारे पास 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So total 9 term है, means odd terms है. So value of n plus 1 by 2 term. So जगह हमारे पास 9 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5th term. So median is equal to 5th term हो जाएगी हमारी 1 2 3 4 5 40. So mod भी हमारे पास 14 आ जाएगा and median भी 14. Thank you.